Do you ever feel like your hard-earned cash is just sitting there doing absolutely nothing for you? Or maybe you've heard this advice: save your money. But saving in the wrong place could actually cost you in the long run. Scary, right? Today, I'm diving into the game changer for 2025, liquid funds. They're not just for the rich, they're for the smart. And if you're not on this train yet, you could be missing out on some of the easiest, safest ways to grow your wealth while staying liquid. But wait, what exactly are liquid funds? And why are they perfect for people like you, ambitious, busy, and ready to make every dollar work harder? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know the top liquid funds of 2025 and the hidden secret to maximize your returns while staying flexible. Spoiler alert, it's all about timing. Speaking of timing, ever feel like payday vanishes faster than your Netflix subscription? Let's fix that. Okay, first things first, what is a liquid fund and why should you care? Think of a liquid fund as a parking spot for your cash. Easy to get into, out of, and growing your money while you're at it. Unlike savings accounts sitting at 0.5% interest, liquid funds can offer returns of 4 and 6% annually. Small? Maybe. But over time, it adds up big time. But not all liquid funds are created equal. Some are faster, some are safer, and a few are perfect for your lifestyle. Let's get into it. 1. XYZ Liquid Fund. This fund is like the straight-A student of liquid funds, safe, consistent, and dependable. It invests in ultra-short-term government securities, which means low risk and predictable returns. But here's the kicker, it has one of the lowest expense ratios in its category, meaning more money stays in your pocket. Why not just keep your money under your mattress instead? Oh, right, because that earns 0% and comes with a side of paranoia. Now, if you're someone who loves a little extra juice in your returns but still can't stand the thought of risk, this one's for you. It balances corporate bonds with government securities, giving you slightly higher returns without sacrificing safety. Plus, the withdrawal speed is lightning fast. Need cash tomorrow? Boom, it's there. But what if you're looking for the absolute best liquid fund of 2025? Hang tight, it's coming. 3. PQR Dynamic Liquid Fund. The creme de la creme. What makes this fund stand out is its use of advanced AI-based asset allocation. Yeah, robots are managing your money, and they're doing it better than most humans. This fund has delivered consistent returns while adapting to market conditions. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. 0 exit load after 7 days. AI is doing everything these days, from writing your essays to picking your investments. Next thing you know, they'll be picking your vacation spots. So, which liquid fund will you choose? Remember, the best investment decisions are made not out of fear, but out of strategy. Think about your financial goals for 2025 and ask yourself, am I making my money work for me, or is it just existing? Now, here's the deal. Liquid funds are just the beginning. The real magic happens when you combine liquid fund investments with the power of compounding. Imagine growing your wealth exponentially, even while you sleep. If that excites you, click the video on your screen right now about the power of compounding. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom. Don't wait, every second counts.